sasagutin ka na. Parang, di ba? Mga size station tayo. Tapos pag nagkaroon ng lindol, magpiping yun sa keyboard. Tapos yun yung
sa UF. Pero dito is it's a common.
Is the energy produced and yun yung
Say hi po. Hi po.
earthquake
Say hi.
shaking na nararamdaman natin sa lupa. That can be shared to our partners and stakeholders. We develop platforms such as Hazard Hunter PH, JU Analytics PH, JU Mapper PH, partnered with government